In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer menu in Wix. Whether you're building a brand new site or enhancing an existing one, a footer menu can be a valuable addition. It helps visitors navigate your site more efficiently, ensuring they find the important information even when they reach the bottom of a page. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll be able to see a preview of your website, or the real-time working area if you're familiar with it. If you're not already there, ensure you're in the editing mode for the site you want to change. Now that you're in the editor, scroll down to the bottom of your web page to locate your footer. This is the section where we'll be adding the menu. It's usually a designated area at the very bottom of your page, and it often contains additional navigation or contact information. If you have a specific design or style in mind for your footer, keep that in mind as you proceed through these steps. Next, you'll want to click on the Add button, typically represented by a small plus icon. This button is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your site, from text boxes to images and, of course, menus. Once you click it, a menu will appear, offering you a host of options. Look for and select Menu and Anchor from the list. This selection is specifically designed for navigation-related components on your page. When you click on it, you'll notice a variety of menu styles pop up, giving you a range of aesthetic options to match your website's theme and style. From the collection of menus displayed, you can now choose the one that best fits your site's look and feel. This decision will set the tone for your footer, so take a moment to consider which style aligns with the rest of your design. Once you've picked your preferred menu, simply drag the horizontal menu style that you think looks best and drop it into your footer area. This will integrate the chosen menu style directly into your footer, allowing visitors to have easy access to essential links without having to scroll back up to the top of your page. And that's it! Your footer menu should now be successfully added. Remember, a well-designed footer can significantly enhance the user experience by making navigation more intuitive and ensuring that key links are easily accessible. Feel free to make further customizations to the menu to better suit your needs and preferences. We hope this guide has helped you, and we look forward to seeing how you make your website even better. Thank you for tuning in today.